Value I'm taking the logarithm first to it. So I'm taking the logic of behind it. So for to find the character value, so to define the character, so character C equals to single single colon as I'm taking directly as a S, and if condition C double equals to A. This is the main reason to choose it. This is the main logic, we have to know it. So next, C double equals to, what are the you know that vowels, so A, I, O, U. So I'm taking like this. So I'm taking O, next has U double equals to has O, U, and it is not U, it is C. Next, this is completed. This is the logic. So next, printf has percentage C is, I'm taking as this vowel. Next, this goes to whether this statement is false, then go through as printf this a constant. The logic behind it to find the vowel and a constant. So I'm taking the new source file, taking new source file, and I'm writing the programming of it. Program to find as a constant and vowel. So next I'm taking hash include stdio.h. Next, I have to consider this statement as you have to know the hash include string.h, because to find the character value, the string value is needed for to start the program. Next, char in character main. Next, in as I'm taking char, I'm picking as char equals to, I'm taking C, I'm taking as a y. So I'm going the condition of it. So C double equals to has, I'm taking A. Next, after this statement, here no semicolon, this colon is not present here. Next, C double equals to E. Next, through it as same, C double equals to I, and C double equals to as O. Next, C double equals to U. I'm forgotten to keep here colon. So this is the condition if of it. So write the printf has the vowel. So next, else whether this statement is false, then this prints as a constant. So this is the logic of it. Let's print it. I'm saving this file as a saving this file as 11.c. and compiling and running at a time. So this, see here, I'm taken as a y. So y is the constant, it is not present in it. So I'm running again. So here I'm taking as a u. So let's see whether it prints vowel or constant. So here it is the vowel. This is the logic behind it. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon, and share to more videos to uh, can able to see the students can able to learn quickly and basic way. Thank you for watching.